Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Haiqing God of Cuisine title in Heartopia for the ocean cleanup event. As you can see, when the event has started, I ate some food. You'll need to be the first one that ate food, or else you won't get it. I don't know if you have to eat it many times, but I just ate it once and I got the title, so probably just one time is okay. You'll need to eat anyways to restore energy. So, but you do have to be the first one, and it is a little bit difficult to be the first one in these events. I haven't gotten the one of the titles that requires you to, you know what, I'll tell you guys in another video. But basically, it's a little bit hard because a lot of people join the event because it is new. And also I can't make the town private when I'm underwater. I can do it when I'm on land, but not when I'm underwater, which sucks a little bit. I don't know. I hope they have like a private one later on. But yeah, that is how you can get the God of Cuisine title. So you just have to eat food. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!